Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, December 10th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So yesterday, the bears put the dailies back to balance in ES and NQ. In Righty's case, they came out of an inside day to the upside first, and then to the downside, and ended with an outside day down and a trend day down. So Righty right now is also still in balance. Yesterday's low are the balance lows for Righty and ES. For NQ, like we said last night, it's December 4th. Okay? So, again, the bulls would like to defend yesterday's lows. Okay? Because if they don't, in ES and Righty's case, you're down. Now, NQ isn't certainly down. So, yesterday's low might not be as important for them to defend. We all had double distribution days. We spent the majority of the overnight, 18 wide in ES, below value, inside of basically M's range. NQ, 15 wide, also inside of M's range. And now they're starting to try to push up a bit away from that. NQ got to very close to a very, very visual area, which is value high, half back, and the afternoon rally high after they filled C single prints. Okay? NQ did not, ES did not get up to that level. There's nothing really out today, which is good. Tomorrow you have CPI. So game plan early. Again, there's still 75, 80 minutes to go prior to the opening. Depending on where these overnight highs end up. In NQ's case, this is a good risk reward short. And you could basically use a bunch of things as you're out, depending on how many you take. If I only took a one lot, I'm going to use eyes high. If I took a little more than that, maybe I only hold it till maybe half back. But for now, again, this could change. That would be a good risk reward short. ES, you could also front run the overnight high if it's there, but your out is really just going to be a point total, maybe at the 8 wide POC. I don't think you're going to hold it all the way up to half back or value high. If you get the overnight highs and pull back inside of these wide POC, that's a good risk reward long against the daily low in ES. Pretty much the same in NQ. If you don't get the overnight high and pull back, you can still take those trades. But again, certainly nowhere near with the confidence you would if you had gotten the overnight high. You know, yesterday's volume was 34 million, so not even in the top 10. I mean, just to put it into a little perspective, last year, the lightest volume of the year was 47.8 million in SPY. We probably have at least 20 of those that are lighter than that this year. And that's the lightest volume. The 10th lightest volume was 55 million. We probably have 50 days more that are less than that. So, incredible how the volume has absolutely dried up as higher prices continue to cut off volume. But again, it also tells you you can keep going up on this type of volume. Okay, we'll see how we come out of these balances on the daily. Come out on the downside, you'll have a chance to put the weeklies back to balance. And then on the chart, again, here's the S&P, 34.7 million, 4-day balance. You kind of broke that trend line that they had going up for now. Again, I don't lean too heavily on that. Let's see how many more daily lows, if any, they want to take out. Or will we do what we've done most of this year and last year, come out of balance back to the upside? Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.